In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays to Google Calendar. This is a super helpful feature that ensures you never miss a special day again. Let's get started by opening up Google Calendar, which you can do by heading over to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a sidebar on the left that lists different calendar options under the section titled My Calendars. Your next step is to find birthdays in this list. It's crucial to note that this section is where you can add people's birthdays to your calendar. If you can't immediately find it, try expanding the list by clicking the small arrow to make sure it's visible. The birthdays option should be sitting right there under your My Calendars overview. If it happens to be unchecked, all you need to do is check the box next to it. This action will allow any birthdays saved in your Google contacts to automatically appear on your Google Calendar. It's a convenient feature as it pulls all the birthdays directly from your contacts, saving you the additional effort of entering them manually. For those using a mobile device, the process is slightly different but just as straightforward. Tap on the three lines known as the hamburger menu on the top left of the screen, hit Settings, then Show More, and finally you'll see the Birthdays option. Be sure to tap on it to activate. Once activated, all birthdays that you've entered into Google Contacts should now appear on Google Calendar. This seamless integration between Google Contacts and Google Calendar makes managing birthdays incredibly easy. Here's a handy tip. Whenever you add a new contact, just enter their birthday in the Google Contacts section. It will automatically synchronize with your calendar, ensuring that it's there when you need it. To wrap up, with the birthdays option enabled, your workload for remembering special occasions has just been lightened significantly. You'll receive notifications and reminders of upcoming birthdays, so you're always prepared to celebrate your loved ones with due attention. Ensuring that everything is set up correctly is simple and only takes a few clicks or taps. By making sure your contacts are up to date in Google Contacts, you enable this seamless feature that has your special days covered. It's truly a feature that combines efficiency with thoughtfulness, allowing you to focus on celebrating rather than keeping track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep all your birthday celebrations on point. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your tech tools. See you in the next video.